Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken Scissor salad using an incredibly easy method. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner, requiring minimal effort and time. We will go through each step, from preparing your ingredients to assembling the final dish, ensuring a fresh and satisfying meal in just a few minutes. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic, no-fuss salad. First, let's get our main components ready. For the chicken, aim for about 2 cups of cooked poultry. A rotisserie chicken works wonderfully here. Next, choose your favorite crisp vegetables. I recommend 1 cup of fresh romaine lettuce and half a cup of vibrant cherry tomatoes. Remember to cut your chicken into small, uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch, so it blends perfectly with the other ingredients. This ensures every bite is balanced and delicious. Now for the fun part, assembling your salad. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your perfectly prepared chicken and all your fresh, chopped vegetables. Next, it's time for the dressing. Start with about 1/4 cup of your preferred creamy dressing, then mix everything thoroughly until every piece is coated. Feel free to add optional toppings like crunchy croutons or a sprinkle of shredded cheese to elevate the flavors even further. Enjoy the customization. Finally, your delicious chicken Scissor salad is ready to be enjoyed. For the absolute best taste and texture, I recommend serving it immediately. You can also add a beautiful garnish of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro to give it a vibrant, appealing look. This easy recipe typically yields 2 generous servings and can be prepared in about 15 minutes from start to finish. It's a quick, healthy, and incredibly satisfying meal. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.